Well, the top story, it's not the first time a politician has been caught on tape acting in what's clearly unparliamentary behavior. The Congress party's Adhir Chaudhary says he was trying to calm the crowds, but an FIR for rioting and vandalism has been filed against him. The Trinamool is demanding action against the central government minister. He says he doesn't care if he's arrested. But should the Congress keep him on in the party? Should there be some action against him? Mohideepa Banerjee reports.
I am ready to face any kind of consequences whatsoever. I do care a fig for any affair.
Complete defiance by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is now facing the possibility of arrest for rioting, vandalism and injuring policemen on duty outside the district magistrate's office cum residence at Behrampur on Thursday. Indeed, Adhir points his finger at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for what he calls real vandalism.
The Chief Minister herself, thrashing one police official because of your dereliction of duty. So this is not a vandalism.
But the Trinamool is demanding action against Adhir, action from the Prime Minister himself.
I should want to draw the attention of Honorable Prime Minister that one of the minister is doing all these activities in his own district.
But the Congress High Command is so far backing Adhir.
I have to understand what they mean. Is it that we accuse students who ask questions and brand them as Maoists? Is it that we go into police stations and beat up the police? Is it the banning the media?
And no wonder. He has kept a stranglehold over Murshidabad district for the party and kept the Trinamool firmly out. Of the 3 assembly by-elections in the state on 23rd February, one of them is at Reji Nagar in Murshidabad. Trinamool is desperately trying to get that seat. Adhir is equally determined not to let go. Thursday's vandalism was a mere skirmish in the bigger battle between the Congress and the Trinamool, and more such can be expected before the votes are cast a fortnight from now. In Behrampur, with Biswajit Das, Mohideepa Banerjee, NDTV.
Well, earlier I spoke to Adhir Chaudhary. I began by asking him that an FIR has been filed for vandalism. Mr. Chaudhary, you are a minister in the central government. How did all this happen? What message is it sending out to your constituents?
See, I do not know what kind of vandalism has been committed by our workers, because what I had played the role, you have already observed in your footage. By standing on the bonnet of a car, I personally exhausted all my energies to calm down the irate mob. The workers got infuriated by the dishonor meted out to the Congress leadership. Actually, the raison d'etre of Congress party were virtually reduced to a ridiculous state because we were so dishonored by the audacious district collector of Murshidabad district at the behest of West Bengal government, the present dispensation of West Bengal, who are exhausting all their resources only to eliminate the Congress party from the soil of West Bengal. And you have observed that standing on the bonnet of a car, I personally had been persuading our workers to come down. That means I tried my best to pacify the irate mob. Otherwise, untoward incident could not have been averted.
Right.
Otherwise, untoward incident could not have been averted.
Right, but nonetheless, Mr. Chaudhary, what you did was vandalism. There's no question about that. The mobs, it's very clear what they're doing in those images. You were up there as well with those mobs.
See, the intriguing part is that we, as per your statement, committed vandalism in the DM's bungalow. But the DM himself had not lodged any FIR against us. There lies the ridiculous aspect of this incident. Police suo motu filed FIR against us. But I think The DM is supposed to be the authority to file, to lodge the complaint against us. They are at the behest of the ruling regime. The present police officials, they were forced also to file the charges against us. However, being a political activist and Congress party, it is my duty to sustain our party in the district. It is my duty to protect the dignity of my party in my district, and in doing so, justice.
Right, sir. You are saying it was your duty to protect the dignity of your party. You're saying you were trying to calm the mob. So if that's the case, why was an FIR filed? What do you think the reason was?
We have not committed any vandalism. I do not know any kind of vandalism, because while I was standing on the car, I personally overlooked the front space of the DM's bungalow, and I have found.
But sir, you're saying the dignity of the party, was that sustaining the dignity of the party?
Not only unjustified, it is based on unmitigated falsehood. It is based on concocted story, because everything is being displayed in your TV. Just you go and read the footage of your TV, and you will come to the conclusion that Mr. Adhish Chaudhary was persuading the irate mob to come down. I personally tried my level best to pacify the agitated mob. Otherwise, untoward incident could not have been averted.
So, sir, you're saying it was clearly an unjustified FIR. We've heard the left say very often that there is a personal political vendetta that's taking place these days in West Bengal. Do you see it like that? Do you agree with that view?
Yes. Political vendetta is an order of the day in West Bengal politics right now. Not only that, over the decades, we are facing the same syndrome.
Could you have tried to calm the mob, sir? Could you have tried that?
See, don't take it otherwise. You are simply blowing out a trivial matter out of proportion. What I would suggest, not to make mountain out of a molehill. Yeah.
Right, sir. So, given that there is an FIR, you are saying don't make a mountain out of a molehill. But do you fear arrest? There are consequences to yesterday's actions.
Actually, in doing opposition politics in West Bengal, over the decades, I have been facing the same implicated charges against me over and over, and every time I was coming out with a flying colors. I do not care a fig.
Right.
I do not care a fig.
Are you not fearing any arrest? You're not fearing arrest?
From being arrested, because I know that I will be coming out again with flying colors.
Right.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.